Milo and the Magical Lemon Juice stall. In the heart of a bustling Arabic market, under the golden sun, there stood a tiny, colorful lemon juice stall brimming with life. Behind the counter stood Milo, a chubby orange cat with big brown eyes, his fur gleaming in the sunlight. Dressed in a beautiful white thobe and a tiny keffiyeh, he looked every bit the proud little merchant. Milo's smile was infectious as he prepared fresh, tangy lemon juice, ready to bring joy to anyone who stopped by. Today was special. Milo had invited all his friends to the stall. There was Zara, the clever green parrot, wearing gleaming golden anklets, who perched on top of the stall, fluttering excitedly. Then came Rafik, the mischievous baby camel with a tiny green cap, who waddled around the stall, his eyes full of curiosity. Lastly, Layla, the sweet white bunny with a soft pink scarf, hopped around happily, eager to try the magic Milo had promised. "Fresh lemon juice, magic in every sip," Milo called out, his voice full of excitement as customers' children, cats, even a few goats lined up, curious to try. But Milo had a secret. His lemon juice wasn't just delicious, it had a special power. Anyone who drank it would burst into happy laughter for 5 minutes straight. Layla was the first to try. As soon as she sipped the golden drink, her eyes widened and she burst into giggles. "Hee hee! It's magic!" she laughed, her bunny ears wiggling with joy. Rafik, who was always up for some fun, gulped down a cup next. He immediately rolled on the ground, his little legs kicking in the air as he laughed uncontrollably. Even the grumpy old owl from the stall next door, who usually stayed out of the hustle and bustle, hooted with laughter after a tiny sip of Milo's lemon juice. The entire market was soon filled with the sound of laughter. Children and animals alike couldn't stop giggling, and the lemon juice stall quickly became the happiest place in the market. With a proud smile on his face, Milo waved his paw, calling out to the crowd, "One cup of happiness for everyone." His friends gathered around smiling as more customers came to join in the fun. From then on, every afternoon, the little stall became the place where everyone went to spread joy, laughter, and sweet lemony hugs. Moral of the story is, sometimes the smallest cup can hold the biggest joy.